Assalamu alaikum, this is Mara Ahmed, and I am going to be doing an interview with a visionary speaker from Texila, I think that's how you say it, Pakistan. He's a visionary speaker, and he's going to deliver his extensive knowledge throughout, his mission is to deliver his extensive knowledge throughout his country, Pakistan, and also essentially now throughout the world with the platform of Facebook. And he enjoys motivating people to stay happy in life regardless of the obstacles that confront you. So hopefully he'll join into the live and we can bring him on. So hopefully he'll come in. And welcome everybody for coming. I'm so happy to see you. I see Carla and Amin and Hazik. So this is wonderful to see everybody coming in. Hopefully it won't take him long to find me. He's sending me a message, so I'm wondering if he's having a hard time finding us. Oh, he says he's coming. Welcome, Muhammad or Syed, and let's see. I'm not good at doing this. Osman Farouk, mashallah. Great to have everybody here. He's a wonderful, wonderful person. I am so inspired. I will also, when I get done, add a link to his page so everybody else can take more time to learn about him and from him. So I don't want to see angry faces. Show me your smiling faces. So hopefully he will come. Where is he? Hello, Safe. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing wonderful. I had an appointment this morning and got to go over my insurance information for my car and for my home insurance. So hopefully everything will work out good. I don't know where he is. Perhaps I'll do another live later in which I can invite people to join me and talk to me. But right now, my mission is to interview this amazing person, Syed, because, I think that we all can be inspired by him and learn how we can overcome the obstacles that we face in life. So, let's see if he's in here. I'm still not seeing him. Okay, I've sent him an invitation. Hopefully. There we go. Assalamu alaikum, Noor. I'll just say Noor. I'm gonna screw up Noor. I'm bad at Islamic names. I know I'm Muslim, but I am a revert Muslim, so you have to be patient with my inability to say. I can't even really say my last name correctly. So, if I'm telling normal people, like white American people, I just say, mad, I'm so mad at you. And so that way they can know how to spell my last name. Oh, goodness gracious. I don't know where he is. Maybe I will try to find him. I am not seeing you. Hopefully he can come. Does anybody have any questions while we wait for him to join? Like, I am happy to like answer questions. Just type them in the comments and then I'll answer questions for you if you would like. Ahmed is my ex-husband's last name. In America, it's more of tradition for us to take our husband's last name, and so I took that. Alhamdulillah, I'm good, Noor. Thank you for asking. Like, from the angle that I have like the horrible double chin. So, like, normally I take pictures higher, but like I don't have like a stand for my phone to sit on. Welcome, Sardar. Anyone else have any questions that they would like to ask me while we wait? I'm not married. I literally just finalized my divorce a month ago, so I am not married. I'm not looking for a husband either, so please stop sending requests for my with marriage proposals. I know I still get so many of them, like 2 to 3 a week, and I hate having to tell everybody no. Walaikum assalam, or Sasriyakal to Sardar Ravinder. Welcome to the show. I'm glad to have you. Hi, Dr. Zaki. Oh, don't be sorry. You know, it's life. Oh, Syed is here. Inshallah, we can get him in here. Oh, I can't bring him on. Are you, by chance, Syed, are you on your phone or on your computer? Let's see. I'm not good at this. Like this is like only my, oh, I've sent him, so maybe that's the problem. I'm not good at this Facebook Live thing. This is only my second one, so be patient with me. And let's see, how do I get to comments? I don't want to leave a comment. I want to see the comments. Does this like, oh, there we go. What is my story for reverting to Islam? You know, that's a great topic, and I know everyone is so interested to hear that story, and I think that we'll do it at a time in which I'm not interviewing somebody. Israr, right now I am going to be doing an interview, so I can't really invite you at this time. Amin would like me to say something in Urdu. I guess I can say, Ab kaise ho? How is everybody doing in the class? My native language is English, and like literally my Urdu is so tori. So just bear with my with my English, okay? I have sent you a request, and I don't know. Can you like push on a video button in which to join, Syed? Yeah, laughing at my Urdu. I'll never laugh at anyone's English as long as you're trying. Great. I have Syed, and we're going to join him in... Where is he? There we go. Hopefully he gets in. I just added him, so I'm really excited to do this interview. Where are you? Hopefully his connection is okay and that we can get him in quickly. I speak same Urdu words. I guess I could call you Pagal and say you're crazy, you know, or I can say change the topic, or Sanal. This topic is done. Let's go into something else. Oh, come on, Syed. Come on in. Inshallah. Great, he's showing up.
Oh, sorry.
Can you
I
hear
have a
me?
little issue.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, I can hear you.
How are you, Syed?
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. I'm so glad to finally get to meet you on video.
Thank
Um,
you.
I
Thank you.
briefly gave an introduction about you, and I explained your mission of like going across your country and um, sharing how to overcome obstacles and maintaining happiness throughout your life. And I also talked that you're from Texas. Am I pronouncing it right? Texila or Taxila? How do you say
Yeah,
that?
yeah,
Taxila.
yeah.
Okay.
You are
In
right.
Pakistan, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Wonderful. So you grew up in Taxila, and can you just let my audience that is like from America, maybe people in Pakistan are more familiar, but kind of tell us about your community and things that are going on in your community and resources that are available.
Yeah, I think few is a bit go is not so good, but there is no. If I talking about right now, there is so many facilities are available. Anything like schools, universities, transport, internet, everything is available now.
Okay. So it's a pretty developed city then.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, you have done all of your education in your home. Is there a reason that you didn't go to regular school?
Yeah, before I think I had told you before a few years ago. I am 29 years old now. So I think if I told you 15 years before, so there is no more facilities for like not so many schools are available. It's available, but I don't know why this is not good for like person like me. They said you are a special person. We can't give you a admission. So that's why I have chosen the second option. I have completed my all schooling at home. I arranged a teacher. My mom gave me a good teacher. He came regularly at my home and gave me a tuition. So I have completed my all schooling at home.
Mashallah. See, like for my American friends that could be watching, like that would be unheard of because there's public schooling for everybody in America. You know, if you have different abilities in America, physical challenges, there's so many opportunities, and you know, there's always inclusion for even people with like mental disabilities or mental obstacles to participate. So, like they'll have like children with like Down syndrome with everybody else. And it's wonderful because it teaches empathy and compassion and recognition that these are normal, wonderful people. And they're in our life, and we need to embrace everyone because everyone has value. You're also trained yourself in as an IT professional. That's really interesting. You know, like in America, we go to school for so many years to learn such things, and you're doing this through self-teaching. How did you do that?
I have so many good interest in IT field. I love to read. That's why I have chosen to go in this field. I got to education. I did some online courses. I got some brilliant friend on a Facebook. And they helped me a lot. I got online classes on a Skype, and I got a help from different websites. I think this is why I said today is so many facilities are available. On a one click, you have all in your hand. You can
Mm-hmm.
do whatever you. I think there is no excuses. I can't do this. I can't do this. If I talking about me, if I am a special person, it's not mean. I will stay at home and one-sided of home. I did not of my life. There is no disability. If you are mentally strong, you can do whatever you want. I think every time I have said this, body have not existence of own. Everything is controlled by the mind. So you are mentally deaf,
Absolutely.
you can achieve your goals and targets.
Sure, sure. Um, so, I mean, you are an inspiration to so many people. What
Thank
things
you.
inspire you?
Ah,
You're welcome.
when I when I read inspiration stories, so many people are inspiring me. I think if I talking about Pakistan, so one Pakistan, I don't know you know about her or not, Maniba Mazari. She is so wonderful person. I read her the books and watch her speeches. She so much gave me inspiration. And then I decided I can do whatever I want. I think.
Okay. Are you there? Can you hear me? Syed? I think he froze. Can anyone else hear or see him? Syed? Are you there, Syed? Let me try taking him out and adding him back in. Okay, thank you, Ahmed, for letting me know. I'm re-adding him, so maybe he just froze for a minute, and hopefully this will help. Oh, he's back. I can't see him yet. This is my right hand, just so you know. I don't know if I'm like reversed on it, but this right here is my right hand. I promise I'm drinking with the right hand. Oh, it's still connecting. I hope his connection is okay. You can, so people can see him. Can he see me?
Hello.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I
Sorry.
lost you for
I
a minute there. Welcome back.
Oh, thank you. I think there is a little bit internet issue.
Oh yeah, I remember like all the internet issues like when we were in Pakistan, and trying to overcome those so I could talk to my kids when I was there. And yeah, Pakistan has a little bit of connection issues, but alhamdulillah, you're back. How do you find? Where do you search? Like, how do you go about looking to finding inspiration to help inspire you and to motivate you to be successful in what you do?
I think most of things are inspiring me. Whenever I read anyone's good motivation speeches, anyone watch says, so there is so many people are in this world doing so many great things. Everything I have seen is inspiring me, might motivate me, give me so much power to do something better than better.
Absolutely. Um, yeah, I know. Like I find so many amazing, inspiring people on Facebook, like you, and then I also
Thank you.
I really like those TED Talks. Those TED Talks are a place that I often will find inspiration and motivation on different topics that maybe I'm struggling in, because everybody has obstacles. Like some people might have physical obstacles, some people might have emotional obstacles. Me going through a divorce, for me that's a little bit of an obstacle because I'm trying to overcome my sadness. So that's an obstacle. People also have obstacles, like maybe they have anxiety, or they might maybe they have that obstacle because they're a woman and there's not as many opportunities available to them in certain areas. So we're always overcoming obstacles. What kind of obstacles have you had to overcome, and the various and how can you encourage others on being able to overcome the obstacles which they face that prevent them from achieving their goals?
I always
Oh
say
no.
that this is life. Life is always going about. Life will not stop for you. So you have to keep moving on and bring change in your life. It doesn't matter
Mm-hmm.
what kind of problems you have. You are right, absolutely right. But I think I must say, failure is not about how many times you have failed. It's about how many times you have tried and made change into success.
Absolutely. I know that your mission is to help people find their happiness regardless of the obstacles that confront them. How do you suggest that people go about doing reaching that mission?
Yeah, if I must say, I want to give you a message to a message, my message. I must say, life will not stop for you. Time will not stop for you. Life still going on. So you have to live your life. You have to live for your loved ones who wanna see you happy, who wanna see you successful. Doesn't
Sure.
matter what our think about you. So you only think about your loved ones, who's supporting you, who wanna live you with you. So if you live with your loved ones, you always feel you stronger and positive, and you have to
Absolutely.
change your
I
thoughts.
You loved a what?
I says you have to change if you wanna change your life. You have to change your thoughts. You have to change your mind.
I agree with that. I agree with that. And you need to not let um, obstacle. You need to not allow those obstacles to prevent you from reaching what you want to. Like I was talking to someone the other day about they were trying to learn English, and fear was the obstacle that they needed to overcome. Fear was, and that's a huge obstacle, is fear. And like they were kind of afraid, like especially going on video talking in English, and they were afraid, of people like laughing at them and pointing a finger at them and saying, oh, your English is no good, and I was talking to him and I'm like, your English is excellent, and
Thank
if
you.
they
Not so
can't
much. I
recognize,
always,
oh, what's
I think
that?
not so great, but I always try to improve.
Your English is wonderful. People that are pointing a finger of a person that's making an effort, that says something about their weakness and their insecurity with themselves, and I'm able to fully understand you, and I was also able to fully understand the person I was talking to. And I'm like, if they can't understand your English, it's because their English is so flawed that they can't understand you. So it has nothing to do with your English. It's all about their English is so bad
Yeah,
that they
you are
can't
absolutely right.
understand.
You are
So
absolutely right.
I go ahead. Hello?
Yeah, I can
I
say you
didn't
are.
hear you.
I must say it doesn't matter how you are speaking and how are you are doing. Obviously, you
Mm-hmm.
are first time doing anything. You have to be improved. You can't care about what you're doing or what others talking about and what others think. You have to keep
Mm-hmm.
doing your work. You have to determine it. You have to improve,
Right.
improve, improve. One day is yours.
And if you can't do it one way, find another. Don't
Yeah,
let something get in your way.
yeah,
If
I always
if you don't have a hand, use your mouth. There's always a way to get by and to do it. Like you had the challenge of not having access to school, so your family, alhamdulillah, were wonderful and they brought school to you. And you were able to do your schooling online. So just because you didn't go to a university, you brought it to your home. You made it work for yourself. So it's all about finding that other way and overcoming, what we in our own mind put as an obstacle to prevent us, I think.
Yeah, you are right.
Would you agree?
There's always the other way. If you are failing on one side, you have to try another. If you are trying and trying and trying, one day is yours. If only way is your failure is when you are stopped doing. And if you
Right.
are doing and trying again, and one day is you must be successful.
Absolutely. Yeah. The only failure in life is when you fail to keep trying. I
Yeah,
agree with
yeah.
that
When you
100%. Is
stop,
there anything,
when you
huh?
are stopping. When you are stop, I can't
Exactly.
do this. When you are think about this, I can't do this. And then you are failure. If you are keep determined, you are keep doing your job, and you must be successful one day. And there is no failure.
Right. Is there anything else that you would like to add for the audience to help continue to inspire them and encourage them?
Yeah, I think I must say, you keep moving on and bring change in your life. And there is a mechanical cord. If you stop the engine, you will lose the engine. So we are you. keep moving on and bring change in your life. And be alive, feel alive, and live for others.
Wonderful. That was such a beautiful message. I so thank
Thank
you,
you.
Syed.
Thank
This
you.
was
Thank you
such a
so much. It's my
wonderful
pleasure.
opportunity to talk to you. What was that?
I say it's my pleasure and honor to talk to you. Thank you so much. I am so happy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. And I'm sure that we're going to be in contact again. And for everyone viewing, I will put a link in the comments to his page so you can go ahead and follow him and see the amazing things that he's
Yeah.
doing to continuously inspire others.
Yeah, if you wanna follow me, join me, you can join my page. My page is SYEDOMAIR 88. And if you wanna join me on a
I think he's froze. I will go ahead and add the link to his page in the comments. So if you are looking for the ability to follow Syed Omair and continue on him in his journey to inspire the world, you can go ahead and find it there. I thank everybody for joining us, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.